Hey everybody, it's Candice with Candy Bees Creations. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a crochet heart. Here is one little example, and I'm going to be doing it with this pink red heart yarn. And it looks like it's saying that H8 would be the hook size recommended to use, but I'm going to be using F5. And it's a 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. And this is, I think it's saying that either the yarn is 5 millimeters or that you need a 5 millimeter hook. But I've been doing it with this and it's been just fine. So I'm going to be doing it with size F5, and I'm going to show you how to do it. This, just so you know, is an intermediate level of crochet. So if you already know the basics like a chain and double crochet and half double crochet and things like that, then you'll be fine. Otherwise, you can just slow down the video and kind of just follow along slowly if you're not quite following along, and if you've not heard of any of these different stitches. But the first thing we're going to be doing is creating a magic ring. So I'm going to be wrapping it around 2 fingers and crossing it over itself. And then from there, I'm going to take my crochet hook and go underneath the first one on the right, hook the second one and pull through. And then I'm going to point the head down, come up, and that's how I'm going to start my magic ring. Okay, again, you can slow down the video if you need to see that again. But from there, I'm going to pull this tight. I'm going to adjust my grip a little bit. Okay, and from here I'm going to chain 2. Okay, 1, 2. From here I'm going to be doing 3 treble crochet stitches into the magic ring. And if you don't know what a treble crochet is, you wrap twice before you go into the magic ring, pull the yarn through, and then you wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. All right, and we're going to be doing 2 more of those. So treble, wrap twice, go into the magic ring, pull it through, wrap once, pull through 2, wrap once, pull through 2. And when I'm saying pull through 2, I mean pull through 2 chains. So we'll wrap and pull through these 2 chains. So we'll wrap and pull through these 2 chains. Okay, third treble crochet, wrap twice, go into the magic ring, hook the yarn, pull it through. Oops. Wrap once, pull through 2, wrap once, pull through 2, wrap once, pull through 2. Alrighty, from there we're going to be doing 3 double crochets into the magic ring. So we're just going to be wrapping once, going into the ring, hooking, pulling through, then you wrap once, pull through 2, oops, wrap once, pull through 2. And that's the end of the first double crochet. Again, wrap once into the magic ring, pull through, wrap once, pull through 2, wrap once, pull through 2. Okay, third one, wrap, hook and pull through, wrap once, pull through 2. Oops, looks like I didn't get that whole little chain. And then wrap one more time and pull through. All right, and if you need to cinch, you can cinch right here, pull your magic ring to kind of start cinching. And then I think I'm going to just pull that yarn a little bit too. Okay, from here we just chain 1, and we're going to do 1 more treble crochet. So wrap twice, go into the magic ring, hook, pull through, wrap once, pull through 2, wrap once, pull through 2, wrap once, pull through 2. All right, and there is the first half of the heart. If I turn it this way, you can see that's the left side of the heart. Okay, so everything we do is going to be backwards of what we just did now. So we're going to be chaining 1. And then from there, we're going to be doing 3 double crochets. So wrap once, pull through 2, pull through 2. Wrap once into the ring, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. Third one, wrap, hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, from here we're going to be doing 3 treble crochets. Again, treble crochet, wrap twice, go into the magic ring, hook the yarn and pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, and wrap, pull through 2. Second one, wrap twice, into the ring, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, and wrap and pull through 2. Okay, third one, wrap twice, go into the ring, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, and wrap, pull through 2. Okay, and if you remember, we started with 2 chains, so we're going to chain twice, 1 and 2. From there, I'm going to just kind of start pulling my little magic ring, which is the string that we started with. Just going to pull it a little bit just to start cinching it. But from here, we're going to do a slip stitch into the magic ring. So we're going to go in, hook the yarn, pull it through the ring, and then pull it through the chain. And then I'm going to just do 1 more chain. Let's see, let me get my stuff figured out. Just 1 chain from there, and then you're going to pull that out, cut the end of your yarn, and pull through. Okay, from there, we're going to take the first bit of yarn that we started with, and we're going to pull that nice and tight until that magic ring closes. And then you can see there's not a hole in the center anymore. So you just make sure that's nice and tight, and then the string or the yarn you just cut, you're also going to pull that nice and tight. And there you have your little heart. It's so cute, and you can do larger yarn and larger hooks. And when you're done, you can also, I think I'm going to just trim this down a little bit. You can hide the yarn by just hooking it through. And then just going over different little loops in the back of the heart. And then just pulling it through until you're satisfied. Just going to keep pulling through. Sometimes I'll just hot glue it to save time, but that's not usually how crocheters do it, I think. At least if you were to ask my grandma, she definitely wouldn't be hot gluing. Okay. Anyway, you get the idea. You hide it until you're satisfied. I'd probably just do a few more loops and then just clip the ends. In fact, I'm just going to clip them right now because that's good enough for me. we go. There's the back. There's the front. And it's so cute. If you saw my tutorial, not my tutorial, but I did a little reel or a little TikTok of making a heart garland out of these little crochet hearts, and it turned out so cute. And someone commented that they would love to see a tutorial. So here it is. Hopefully this helps you, and thanks for joining me today. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.